Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to set a static IP address on Windows 11 using Settings app. For that, first you need to get the details from your ISP, that means Internet Service Provider, such as IP address, subnet mask, DNS, and default gateway. If you don't know the details and you have already connected to the internet, you can find these details by typing ipconfig/all and pressing enter on the command prompt. Just press Windows R on the keyboard and then type here CMD and click on this one OK button. This will open command prompt window. Here type ipconfig space/all. After that, you need to press enter on the keyboard. Then you will find your default IP address, subnet mask, gateway, and DNS server. All you need to note down these one details like this. Note down in a notepad, and after that, close this one command prompt window. Then open Settings app using Windows plus I keyboard on your I key on the keyboard or in any other method. Then click on this one Network and Internet option. Then you will find here Wi-Fi or Ethernet, or you can find both these options depending on your PC configuration. Here turn on this one toggle switch, whatever you are using, and then click on this one arrow button. Here you will find your connected adapter option, such as in my PC it is JioFiber. Just click on this one option and then scroll down and find IP assignment option. Then click on this one edit button beside it. Here you will find automatic in bracket DHCP. Just click on this one option and select manual option. Here turn on this one toggle switch IPv4. Then here you need to fill these details that you have already noted down, such as IP address. Fill in this one details, then subnet mask, then gateway, then preferred DNS, and at last alternate DNS, and then click on this one save button. Like this, you can set a static IP address on your Windows 11 PC that will boost that may boost internet speed on your PC. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel, Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it, and if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.